Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Dell. I just wanted to show you how to get to my stuff. If you ever just put in my last name like that, the first link in Google should be my site. I'll always email you everything every Thursday. Um, but if you're ever looking for it, I just put it right on the front of the page. It's right here. And this is where the blog's going to be. And what you can see is that we're going to be doing a blog on home ownership. And what you're going to do is there's things here that tell you what to do. And we're going to basically take some time with my web page. Basically, I just showed you these things. And you'll see here that when you get to this page, it'll have just our Bank of America site. And I wanted you to just take some time, 30 minutes going through. There's things on home equity, basics, moving, refinancing, renting. Take some time looking at these links. Watch the videos, read some of the articles. There's a lot here, so I don't expect you to do everything. But take some time with that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the blog, and you'll see here it talks about writing a paragraph answering the essential question for 10 points. There will also be listing a relevant website for 5 and reacting to 2 students' work, and that should be 35. That's a mistake. I need to fix that to 35. It's due on the 23rd at 11:59 p.m., and the goal is to understand the benefits and risks and key concepts of home ownership. So it says here what you're going to do is you need to write a paragraph down in the comments section. Make sure you take time to put your comment in. Go ahead and select the anonymous selection, so that'll let you blog the best and will not erase your work, but make sure you put your name in it. You could just put, if you want to put period 4 or economics, anything like that is fine. And then you're just going to put you're here and then hit publish. And you're going to put in the master for your robot. That. And then you will see here that this is the question you're going to be dealing with. What are some key concepts of home ownership and what are some benefits and risks to home ownership? So you're going to be writing about that. And I think that's everything you need to know. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you so much and have a great day.